Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined, update it or add a new payment method and try again. So guys, if you are trying to make some purchases on your Apple device but you are facing this issue and you are unable to make payments, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to screen time. Scroll it below, tap on content and privacy restrictions, and from here turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this, and after this go back and go to general, and from here scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time, and then go back and go to language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and from here go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. Do this, and after this go back and go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to your profile and from here go to sign in and security, and from here go to change password and change the password for your Apple ID for one time, and after this go back and from here go to payment and shipping and wait here for some seconds again, and from here you have to simply delete your payment method for one time. So guys, you have to simply remove your payment method from your device for one time, and after this go back and now you have to simply scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. So guys, simply sign out your Apple ID and after this restart your device and then sign in your Apple ID again on your device and then go to payment and shipping again, and from here you have to simply add your payment method again on your device. So guys, once you remove your payment method, you have to simply add your payment method again, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply go to Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of sport from the Apple Sport team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.